Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys a quick little example of a presentation because I've gotten a few questions. This is a past student's work. She did this in PowerPoint, but just it can be as elaborate or not as elaborate as this one. Um, but basically, she just goes through like I asked for in the first slide. It's the recipe title, your name, the name of this class, and the date. The next part, she took a photo of her recipe. You guys can just copy and paste the recipe because usually I'll be giving it to you, but on the weeks that you're coming up with your own or doing your own, you can just take a photo of it or type it in. Here's a picture of her mise en place. So everything is measured out individually. Everything is spaced out nicely. I can see what every ingredient is. I would even prefer if this was more front and center other than this. And I would love it if the ingredients, instead of having just mise en place so large, if we can even identify what these are. But as long as I can clearly see what things are, that is just fine. And then she just goes through all of the different processes. And she takes a final photo. I can see all the layers. I can see what it is. Everything is original. And then for this class, we required you can put the reflection in your presentation, which you can still do. You can do a little reflection on just that recipe, or you can just copy this and put that into the forum. The forum is where we're going to be talking about our reflections, so I care most about it being in the forum section of Moodle. So just make sure it's there. If it's not there, that's what I'm grading you off of. So just make sure that that's there. And she had a lot to say about her, so I only require 300 words, but if you feel like you want to talk about more, then go right ahead. Another question we had was how to add photos into presentations. So that was PowerPoint. This is Google Slides. I like Google Slides because it saves automatically so you don't lose any of your work. But just to show you how you can upload photos, you go to Insert here and you insert an image. So the photos on your phone, there's many ways you can get them from your phone. If you have a MacBook and you have an iPhone, you can just airdrop your photos onto your computer. If you don't have that, you can save your photos from your phone to Google Drive. If you download Google Drive to your phone, you can email the pictures to yourself. I do that all the time. You can email them to yourself, and then when you open your email, you just save those photos locally to your computer. And once those photos are local to your computer, you can go ahead and click image, upload from computer, and there you have it. Say I want to add this chicken picture. And there it is. So easy as that. You can also, if you have the picture open, you can actually drag things into the slide also, just like that. So there's many different options. If that doesn't make any sense, please, I can individually help you through it. But also getting in a habit of starting a drive so then you can have it all connected is a good idea. And then you'll have all of your photos whenever you need them. So that's it. I'm going to make Moodle live in a few moments so you can get ahead or start working on this week's. And that's it. Any other questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon.